Jai Siya Ram everyone, welcome back to my channel English with Desi Madam. My name is Rita and how are you doing guys? I hope you all guys are doing absolutely fine. So friends, I am here on my roof and it's afternoon time and you can see the Dobby. Hey Dobby, Dobby, Dobby. He generally comes with me and he is eating good, bad thing. Okay? Okay, so this is Dobby ball.
Yes.
Okay, so now tell me some answer. What is your name?
My name is Vasaranjan Tripathi.
And what is your name?
My name is Jiva Ranjan Tripathi. It is also my sister.
Okay, she is your sister.
Yes.
Okay, so do you like Dobby?
Yes, very much.
Very much. So that's
I will play full of doggy.
oh, you will play full day
Yes.
with doggy.
Doggy is very fun.
you
is very
you
funny.
feel very funny when you play with Dobby. Then you can see the
I
Dobby.
don't need.
So Dobby is your best friend.
Yes.
Okay, and Dobby is also very naughty. Actually, he generally comes with me when I come on my roof.
Exactly.
Yeah. So don't eat. No, Dobby, no, don't. Okay, you should give him command, and he will follow. You know, he will follow. He will very happy. Actually, he feel very happy here. Okay, so let's play with Dobby. Now I'm going to make my video. Okay, so don't say it loudly.
Okay.
Okay. So friends, let's talk about something in English. So friends, I have received a message from my subscriber, and the message was that, ma'am, I really want to speak in English, just like you, but I have a problem. I have a fear inside my heart. I am thinking all the time, what if I will make some mistakes in English, so people will laugh at my English? What if I will not complete my sentence in English, so they will mock of my English? And so this is the fear that I am thinking all the time in my mind. Actually, I really want to speak in English. So how to get rid of this type of fear? Okay, so I thought, why not create a video on this particular topic, because this is a very common problem and I know there are lots of people are facing this type of problem. And when I was learning this language, so actually first time I also feel this problem. I should not speak in English in front of the people, because they will mock of my English. And what if I will not give some pronunciation good, so yes, they will laugh at my English. So yes, I was always thinking this thing, but how did I overcome of this type of problem? So because I heard a story, and when I heard a story, so yes, I thought, okay, it's a people thing. They always lag you behind. They will try to lag you behind. So yes, I am going to tell you that story that I heard that time, and believe me, after listening this story, you will overcome of this type of fear. Okay, so also I just give you some solution how to overcome of this type of fear that you are thinking right now. And so without any further delay, let's get into the topic. But before going to the topic, it's my humble request to all of you, if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, so please do subscribe my channel, because these things gives me boost to create more and more valuable content for you every day. So watch the video right till then, don't skip the video. Okay friends, so let's get into the topic. Okay, so this is a problem, like ma'am, I have a fear to speak in English, and I really want to speak in English, but because of this fear I am not able to speak in English. So you are thinking like, if you will make mistakes in English, so people will laugh at you. So I just want to say you one thing. Don't worry about what will people think about your English, about your journey. Okay, because it's your choice, and it's not a people choice. Okay, just keep that in your mind. And yes, we are learning a new language. It's not our native language, it's a secondary language. So okay, it's happened when we are learning new skill, when we are learning new language. So it happens we will make some mistakes in English, and all the mistakes, I just want to tell you that all the mistake that you are doing, and by speaking English, so all the mistakes are going to improve your English fluency. Believe me. Okay, just keep that in your mind, because there is no one who can perfect Okay, from the beginning. You are a beginner, you are a learner, so initially time if you are making a mistake, so it's natural and it's happened with everyone. Even native speaker also they make different kind of mistakes sometimes. So don't worry about making a mistakes, and think about, okay, if people laugh at you, that means you feel happy, because I feel happy when I was making a mistakes, and I was uploading all the my practice video on this channel. So I never thought about this, okay, what will people think. I feel okay if people laugh at my will, if people will laugh at my English, so yes, I feel very happy. At least I make them happy. Just this is the only thing that I generally think in my mind. I never think about what will people laugh at my English. Okay, if they will laugh, that means I am happy because I make them laugh. This is the only thing that I generally used to think in that time when I was learning this language. Now if you really thinking this thing also deeply in your heart, in your mind, I just want to tell you one story, and this, after listening this story, you will overcome of this type of problem. Okay, so just keep that, just listen this story very carefully. Okay, hear me out for the next 5 minutes. I will remove your fear. Okay, after 5 minutes you just need to listen this story very, very carefully. So the story goes like this. Once upon a time there lived a father and son in a village. They had a donkey. So one day they decided to go outside the village, okay, far away land for destination for traveling. So they started belongings, they set off for their journey with their donkey. Okay, then what happened? Father led his son on the donkey while he walking beside them. When they reached the first town, so the people of there in that town, they saw them. They started whispering, "Look at these travelers. The son is riding on the donkey while old father is walking in intense heat. Son should the son should get off from the donkey and he should ride his father on the donkey." So when the son and father heard this thing, so they felt embarrassed, and the son got off the donkey and he ride his father on the donkey and he started walking. When they reached the second town, so people of that town started whispering. One of them said loudly, "Look at these travelers. The father is sitting on the donkey while his son is walking in intense heat. Parents should give comfort to their child, but he is enjoying riding donkey while his son is walking in intense heat. He is very selfish." When the son and father heard this, so both of them felt embarrassed, and again the son and father ride on the donkey. When they reached the third town, so people of that town started whispering. One of them said loudly, "How cruel these two travelers. They are enjoying riding while donkey feeling lots of burden. He should spare donkey from burden." So when they heard this thing, again they felt embarrassed and they got off from the donkey. And yes, they both walking beside the donkey. When they reached the fourth town, so people of that town started whispering them, and one of them said loudly, "Look at these stupid travelers. They are walking. They have a donkey. Still they are walking. I mean, what is the meaning of having a donkey? These are very stupid. When father and son heard this thing, again they felt embarrassed, but every time they try to make people satisfying and they are doing besides on the others advice, but every time they ended up with new complaint and they feel what should they do, what should they do, because every time they are getting new complaint from the public, from the people. So yes, this is the story. Now what is the lesson of this story? The lesson of this story is that you should do what you want to do. Don't think about what people will say, because it's a people tendency. They always give you complaint, they always try to make you feel embarrassed. Okay, so yes, learning English, it's your choice. Why are you thinking that people will give you some positive comments, people will give you some respect? They will not, they will not, believe me, they will not. They will give you respect when you will succeed in your life. Okay, initially time they will try to make you embarrassed, they will try to make you, they will try to lag you behind. So yes, learning English, it's your choice, it's your goal that you have taken a decision for learning this language in this year 2025. And so just remove this fear. If you are facing this type of fear inside in your heart, so just remove that. And I just want to tell you other thing, like you are thinking all the time, you are giving some excuse all the time. Okay, what if I will make mistakes in English? But you are not learning, you are not thinking how to learn this language, how to start our learning English speaking journey. You are giving some excuse like, okay, people will think, okay, if people laugh at your English, so don't worry, actually it's your choice. Okay, and okay, I just want to ask you a question. How long they will remember your mistakes? After 1 minute they will forget, but you are the one who is carrying these mistakes in your mind, you are the one who is carrying this thing in your mind. They will forget after some time, but you are remembering all the time. Don't do that. Try to learn this language, because every time giving excuse, it's not going to work. But if you are thinking how to learn this language, it's going to help you. Okay, so don't think what will people say. Okay, it's your choice, it's your goal, it's your resolution that you have taken in this beginning of this year 2025. So just keep that in your mind and learn this language. It's a beautiful language, it's a wonderful language. And if you will succeed, okay, then all the people, if you are thinking like this, they will help you. So that's all I wanted to share with you in this video, and I hope you like my video. If you did so please give it a like to share with your friends and family, and let me know in the comment box how did you like my video, and because I love to read your comments. So I will see you in the next video. Till then, Jai Siya Ram.